what are we building? We're gonna be building 50 bottle openers. This is just a really simple design that I came up with. It's literally just a block of wood with a couple of holes drilled in it. And I found these kind of cool half-size inserts. I think it's really nice. It's kind of beefy. It looks like a Jenga block, but this is what we're gonna be making. We're gonna make 50 of these, and then an engraving will go on the top. And yeah, that's what we're gonna get going. How good did this come out? I had my friend Jessica laser engrave the name of the movie that I'm working on. I'm gonna hand these out at work into the top of this thing, and it came out so nice. Like, it adds such a great kind of like finishing touch to this. So we're gonna get some finish on these. I'm gonna use this stuff, feed and wax. I think this will make the calico hickory pop really nicely, so we're gonna get a coat of that on.